temperature sensors like PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and thermocouples often face issues such as inconsistent welds, overheating of sensitive components, and production delays. The TATE PT100 welding machine is here to solve these challenges with precision and reliability. Thanks to its advanced temperature regulation system, the TATE PT100 maintains optimal heat levels throughout the welding process. This helps prevent damage to delicate components and ensures perfectly welded joints. Whether you're working with high-accuracy PT100 sensors or robust thermocouples, the TATE PT100 offers superior weld quality, minimizing defects and ensuring consistent, reliable performance. By reducing scrap rates and increasing efficiency, the TATE PT100 allows manufacturers to meet their production goals with fewer interruptions and higher quality outputs. As the direct manufacturer, we promise outstanding quality and unbeatable customer support. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.